No way that's a 426.
Yep.
Phenomenal. That's crazy.
Kenne Belle Supercharged.
Supercharged too?
Oh yeah.
What?
Yeah.
Oh, please show. That's crazy.
Yeah.
That is a build right there.
19 pounds of boost.
What? What is this?
Yeah.
What the? Way better than a Hellcat.
Oh, yeah.
How many horsepower are you pulling this thing?
I haven't had a dyno. It's
You haven't had a dyno, yeah?
7 liter, 19 pounds of boost on water methanol.
Yeah.
So.
Wow. What year is this? What year?
2009.
2009?
Yeah.
So you swapped out the what do you do?
The 6.1.
The 6.1, yeah.
It's the original block.
Yeah.
Bored and stroked, studded, forged, boarded heads.
You ain't playing around,
19
eh?
pounds of boost.
He is not playing around.
Lower cam.
Wow. Are you pulling? You're pulling down to the intake's pulling down all the way down there. Eh?
Yeah. The air filter's down here. Yeah.
Right.
Cold air right off the front of the car.
You built it yourself.
Yep.
Phenomenal.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep. 6.1 block. Yeah.
Yeah.
Good for 1,000 horse.
Oh, you actually made it a 426.
Yeah. Board and stroke.
Wow. Great build, man.
Yeah. Thanks.
Great build, man.